Please consult with your physician before starting an exercise program. Welcome. I was asked how to safely propel snow several feet away. Snow shoveling is great exercise, but I have to remind you of the dangers, risks, and pitfalls of snow shoveling. I will also demonstrate the proper form to avoid injuries. Shoveling snow is a very strenuous activity, made even more so by the impact that cold temperatures have on your body, increasing the blood pressure while simultaneously constricting the coronary arteries. The constant bending over and raising and lowering of the spine and the effects of the cold weather on your muscles all contribute to winter back injuries. Here are some guidelines. Warm up before you go out. Take frequent breaks. Stay hydrated. Proper form. Stand erect. Don't bend over. If you have to move the snow, pick up the snow shovel using your legs. Push the shovel as much as possible. If you have to pitch the snow, stand erect and use momentum, centrifugal force, to swing and twist it off of your shovel. I hope you found this helpful. Stay happy, healthy, and strong.